Hello everyone, and welcome to Nova Planet English. Today, we are going to learn English through a real-life story. This is the story of Nova and her exciting new beginning in a new city. Listen carefully and try to understand the story. Let's begin.
Hello, my name is Nova. I am 27 years old. A few weeks ago, I moved to a beautiful city called Green Valley. Before moving here, I lived in a small town with my parents. Life was comfortable there, but I wanted something new. I wanted new experiences, new opportunities, and new adventures, so I decided to move. At first, I felt nervous. Everything was unfamiliar. The streets were different. The buildings were different. Even the people seemed different. But I was also excited. This was the beginning of a new chapter in my life. When I arrived in Green Valley, I moved into a small apartment near the city center. The apartment was not very large, but it was bright, clean, and comfortable. There was a cozy living room, a modern kitchen, and a small balcony with a beautiful view. The first few days were busy. I spent most of my time unpacking boxes and organizing my furniture. My best companion during this time was my dog, Max. Max is a small golden retriever. He is energetic, playful, and very friendly. Whenever I felt lonely, Max stayed by my side. He followed me from room to room and made me smile every day. Every morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. The first thing I do is open the curtains and let the sunlight into my apartment. Then I feed Max his breakfast. He gets very excited when he sees his food bowl. After feeding Max, I prepare my own breakfast. I usually have toast, eggs, fruit, and a cup of coffee. Sometimes I sit on the balcony while enjoying my breakfast and watching the city wake up. At 8 o'clock, Max and I go for a walk. We walk through a nearby park filled with trees and flowers. Many people exercise there in the morning. Some people jog. Some ride bicycles. Others walk their dogs. During our walks, I often meet friendly neighbors. Everyone seems kind and welcoming. One morning, I met a woman named Sarah. She lives in the apartment building next to mine. We talked for a few minutes and quickly became friends. She even recommended several good restaurants and coffee shops in the area. At 9 o'clock, I begin my workday. I work as a graphic designer for a creative company downtown. Fortunately, my office is only 15 minutes away. The office is modern and full of talented people. My coworkers are friendly and supportive. During my first week, they helped me learn everything about my new job. I was grateful for their kindness. My manager is very encouraging. She always motivates the team to do their best work. Because of her support, I feel more confident every day. At lunchtime, I often eat with my coworkers. We sit together in the cafeteria and talk about many different topics. Sometimes we discuss movies. Sometimes we talk about travel. Sometimes we simply share funny stories. These conversations help me improve my communication skills and make new friends. After work, I usually stop at a grocery store before going home. I enjoy shopping for fresh ingredients. Cooking has always been one of my favorite hobbies. Some evenings I cook pasta. Other evenings I prepare grilled chicken, vegetables, or soup. I love trying new recipes. After dinner, Max and I spend some quiet time together. Sometimes I read books. Sometimes I watch educational videos. Sometimes I practice English and learn new vocabulary. Learning new things makes me feel productive and motivated. Before bedtime, Max and I take one final walk around the neighborhood. The streets are peaceful and quiet at night. The city lights create a beautiful atmosphere. During these walks, I often think about my future goals. Moving to a new city has not always been easy. There have been challenges. There have been moments when I missed my family and friends. However, every challenge has helped me grow stronger. Every day I become more independent. Every day I learn something new. And every day Green Valley feels a little more like home. I am excited about my future. I am excited about my career. I am excited about the friendships I am building. Most importantly, I am excited about the adventures that still await me. Thank you for joining me on this journey. This is only the beginning of Nova's new life in Green Valley.